Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We are on another video demo for downloading your favorite apps on a smartwatch. This time, we are going to download the TikTok application, the popular TikTok on our smartwatch. As you can see, we already have a Facebook here. Check our demo. Previously, we also have the YouTube app and some games. This time, we'll try to download the TikTok application on our smartwatch. As you can see, we have our YouTube here still here, as well as WhatsApp application. So if you are interested to see how the TikTok works on the smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and download and install the TikTok application on our smartwatch. So what you need, okay, what are the requirements? You need a Wi-Fi support, as you can see here, or a SIM card. For if you don't have a Wi-Fi, you need at least a mobile data to have an internet connection. As you can see, we have a SIM card here slot, but we did not put one. We are connected with the Wi-Fi, so we can download an application. You also need a storage space. So we have at least, I think we have more than 4 GB of storage space for our smartwatch. Let's see. Do we still have enough storage space? Display. We have here the storage, and we have here 36. Okay, used 58%, so we still have at least 40% more, okay, storage space. Next, you need a Google Play Store. So we have here the Google Play Store. Let me show you. So we have it here. Okay, now that we have all the requirements to download and install, let's open the Google Play Store. Then search for the application TikTok. You can use the on-screen keyboard to type the name of the application TikTok, or you can use the voice command here. Let's see if you can use it. TikTok app. So we have here the application TikTok. To download the app, just tap on install. Okay, again, we have the TikTok application here. Tap on install. It will download the app and it will automatically install it in our smartwatch. As you can see, we have 173 MB in size. So wait for it. 8%. Okay, so we are on 90%. Let's wait. 94%. In just a few seconds, we'll have the TikTok app on our smartwatch. 99%. Let's wait. And it's now 100%. Let's wait for the installation. And it's now installing. Hopefully we'll be able to install it in our smartwatch. Again, you need a fast internet connection to be able to download the app on your smartwatch. Installing. Let's wait just a few seconds. We'll have the TikTok app ready on our smartwatch. And now we have successfully downloaded the TikTok app. Let's open the application. So let's open the app here. Tap on open. Let's wait. I think we have some permissions just like in the smartphone, as well as agreement. It is a bit slow compared to the smartphone, but once we loaded it, all of the required information here, I think we are okay. Agree and continue. TikTok terms and policies. Allow permission. Okay, let's see. We have comedy here, entertainment, food and drinks. Then next. You can also skip if you don't like to pick any interest. As you can see here, it's a bit slow, but it's working. Finding content you like. Swipe to start watching. Let's see. Does it work? Okay, it's still loading. Let's see. And we have it here. As expected, it's a bit slow to load the video, but we do have here the video. We have the profile here, the home. Let's see if we can swipe. For you. So this is promotional content. Okay, you can also like the video if you want. Swipe for more. I guess if you want to comment or interact, you need to register. But without registration, you can still, even though you don't register, you can still swipe and watch some videos here. I'll just remove the volume just to avoid any copyright issues. But it is working. Let's see if we can like without any registration here. Yes, you can still do that. I guess you cannot comment. Nice. And as you can see here, we have a TikTok video or TikTok app here on our smartwatch. Again, if you have any request for downloading or installation of application on a smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. This is smartwatchspecifications.com YouTube channel. TikTok application here on our smartwatch. Bye.